Today we are doing an unboxing video, so stay tuned. Feel free to guess what is in our package for today. Drum roll as we unbox what is it. Thank you to the persons who sent this. Let's get straight into unboxing. I'm also glad to GIG. I love their services, right? It was nice. So let's get straight into unboxing what it is. The struggle to open it because I too was eager to see what was inside the package. Feel free to guess what is in our package and drop in the comment section as we unbox together, right? So this is our product, right? So if you're familiar with the name Alora, then you can already guess what it is. But for those who do not know what it is, we would still do an unboxing. So this was me popping the bag that was used by GIG to wrap this thing. This thing was fun. I really loved it. Like, I sat down to pop this thing after making this video because it's the little things that count, right? The little things that make me happy. But yes, we went back to our unboxing video. This was a whole lot of struggle. The struggle was real. Whoever packaged this thing at GIG, please, respectfully, I would say, do not tie somebody's destiny because it's gonna be hard. Yeah, so we're still struggling to unwrap because the tape was really adhesive, right? But yes, we finally unboxed it, right? So drum roll as we bring out our package from Alora. Give a round of applause for this brand, Alora Reusable Parts. I say that again, Alora Reusable Parts. They produce comfy, clean and ecosystem friendly parts that are absorbable. They do not contain chemicals that would cause cancer and all sort of things, and they are reusable, right? You can actually take charge of your health, your hygiene by washing and reusing your part. So this was me showing you the contact information, and we went straight to bringing out what was in the parcel. Remember, this is a free product for trial use. You can follow me to see my review on this, right, as I'll be using it. So this was me showing you the first bag. I love this box, and guess the content, right? For those of us who cannot guess, I'm going to show you. If you guess pants, you're right. It's a period pant, very soft, very comfy. It feels like something that'll be very comfortable on the skin. Follow me to get the review when I use this product. I love the box, so that's why I kept going back to it. And this is a hot water bottle. Damn, I've always wanted to purchase this for myself, but thank you to Alora for sending this as part of the package. And thank you so much. Thank you for choosing me to be one of your influencers on this product. So yes, this is the hot water bottle, right? It's so lovely, it's so soft. I love the colors. It's a 10 out of 10. I've not used it yet, but I already love the color. I already love the product. Yes, so that's a hot water bottle. You can get one for yourself if you have a crazy period like mine. Yes, so this is their pad. If you want to see what the pad looks like, do not forget to turn on the subscribe button, follow me, drop a comment, and you'll be able to see my next video on what the pad is. It's a reusable pad. This package contains 3 different pads, and you can wash them after you soak it in hot water, and then you wash it out and dry it, right, and you're able to use it again. So this is all the product that was sent to me by Alora. Thank you, Alora. I promise to give my honest review when I use this product. Thank you so much. Bye for now.